Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, or those who are new here, welcome to my channel. We do a lot of adventure and traveling lately, but today we are doing kind of a relaxing trip to camping at Proserpine Dam, and I'm really excited for this trip because I haven't been camping since like grade 9 or 10 like camp for school. So this time I'm finally going with my friend and I've been looking forward to it for such maybe 6 months already because it's been summer and it just got cool here at Airlie Beach, and I think it would be nice to have like campfire and just camping in the cozy tent. So let's get going. Finally arrived at our campsite, Proserpine Dam. I finally got my tent. It's my tent. Ready? Cheers!
Okay. Like this?
Yeah, just butter and chicken.
Okay.
Or
We just
you
use
can put
it.
lettuce if you want. Up to you.
Oh no. Lettuce is for dinner.
After we finished setting up our tents, it was time for lunch. It was nice to relax and just have chats with friends. And this was a little story about Han not finishing his book after a few years. It was rather funny.
Few years. I read only 129 pages so far.
How many page altogether?
I'm not sure. 300, 400?
I check. $366. Half. I mean.
One third.
One third. 1/3.
And you need to make a mission, one chapter per week.
Yeah. Or you need to make a mission. You need to finish another 50 pages today.
You spray oil.
I forgot.
So we were trying to get a group photo, but as you can see, it took us a long time to get just a photo.
Moving. We want to in a shot.
So.
How are you doing?
Why you move there?
Why you move?
Animal.
Everyone in the shot already, I think. One, two, three. Cheers. Okay. Yummy. Yummy.
你公公的电话是043041320746吗？465啊！难怪他回我说这个人是谁？
哦，所以是可以传到信号的。
对。
去装个animal.
We started cooking our dinner around 4:30, which includes pork belly, lamb, and marinade beef Korean style. It was definitely so good when you cook meat under wood fire for some smoky taste. Delicious.
so funny.
Right?
And your stick is about to fall off. I'm going in the fire.
My circle is on fire!
You wanna try?
This is the view this morning, guys. I woke up about 6:30 this morning and there was no sun. So this is it. Can't really see like anything. Even the mountain over there are gone. But I had a pretty good sleep. Really enjoyed this camping trip. We are at the Whitsunday Go at the moment. That's a pretty nice place. Never been here before. Hello. Hello. This one talking. Hello. Hello. Ruby, hello. Hello. So cute. No.
Hi, hi.
He doesn't like us.
We think we are very noisy.
If we have a vegetable, it maybe come.
Apaka.
Very stimulus. Always
So cute. This is small one.
very small.
Hello.